Hello, everybody. Today, let's make a box plot of this set of data 0, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and 15 using Statcrunch. And by the way, this data represents 10 people and the number of siblings each of those 10 people have. So, for example, the first zero means one person has zero siblings. The second zero means another person has zero siblings. The one means another person has one sibling, so forth and so on, all the way until we get to one person who has actually 15 siblings. All right, so let's make a box plot of this. To do this, we'll make sure that all the data is in Statcrunch. And before this video, I put all the data in one column here, which is in var one. And anytime you want to work with a set of data in Statcrunch, please make sure to put the data in one column. And so we have the data in one column right here of all of the number of siblings for each of those 10 people. To make a box plot, we're going to click on Graph and then Box Plot. Okay, now we want to tell Statcrunch which column the set of data is in. The set of data is in column var1, so we'll choose var1 there. Now it knows where to look for the set of data. It's in column var1. And now we can change all these things here if we wanted to, but let's just go ahead and just leave everything else like it is, and then click Compute. And there's our lovely box plot right here. Okay, and the box plot really tells you where most of all of the data lie. So here, notice that the data on the y-axis we have the numbers from 0 all the way to 15, and notice that most of all the data is pretty much between say 1 and 5 right here. Okay, and it tells us right here actually. So it says here that the number of values is 10, and IQR is 4. So what that means is Q3 minus Q1. Q3 minus Q3 is 5, Q1 is 1, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So that's how it gets the IQR, which is called the interquartile range. And the median there is 2.5. All right. And we get that the lower limit is 0, which means that's the lowest number in our set of data. And likewise, we get the upper limit of 9, which is it's not the highest number of the data, but it's the highest number out of all of the normal numbers because it looks at 15 up here as a dot, which is an outlier. So Statcrunch believes, well, 15 is really far away from the other numbers, and so we're not going to really include that in as being the highest number of the data because maybe it's kind of a mistake or it's a rare case. So it sees 15 as an outlier right here, okay, as this dot, okay. All right, but most of all the numbers are, as you can see in the blue there, between 1 and 5, okay? And the median is marked with the horizontal line right here, which is at 2.5. All right, so that's how to use Statcrunch to make a box plot and see where most of all of the set of data lies, as well as any outliers if they occur. And by the way, I'll just go ahead and include this in the question. There it is. And so again, that's how to use Statcrunch to make a box plot.